Mike, and hello everyone! Welcome back to the English Talk Time, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Ellie, your cheerful host for today's episode, and as always, I'm here with my awesome co-host. Hey Mike, how are you doing today?
Hey Ellie and lovely learners. Haha, I'm doing great. Feeling excited because today's topic sounds really inspiring. Dreams and future plans. Wow, that's one of my favorite things to talk about.
Me too. I love hearing people talk about their dreams. It's like you can feel their energy and passion just by listening. So everyone, today we're going to help you talk about your own dreams and future plans in English. You'll learn useful phrases, get motivation, and of course, enjoy some fun conversation with us.
Exactly. So let's get started. Ellie, can I ask you the big question first? What's your dream?
Oh, good one. I've always dreamed of traveling around the world and teaching English in different countries. I want to meet new people, try new foods, and learn about different cultures. How about you, Mike?
Haha, that's amazing. For me, I've always dreamed of opening a small cafe by the beach. A peaceful place with good coffee, good music, and friendly people. I can imagine myself sitting there every morning, watching the sunrise. Sounds nice, right?
Aw, that sounds so relaxing. Okay, everyone, here's a phrase you can use when you talk about your dreams. I've always dreamed of. For example, I've always dreamed of becoming a singer, or I've always dreamed of visiting Japan. Try it now. Say your dream in your mind or out loud.
Great. And if you want to talk about your future plans, you can say, I plan to, or I'm planning to. For example, I'm planning to study abroad next year, or I plan to start my own business someday. These are super useful phrases in daily conversation.
Right. You can also use one day I want to, like one day I want to buy my own house, or one day I want to learn to play the guitar. Mike, what's one thing you'd say using that phrase?
One day I want to climb Mount Fuji. Haha, I'm serious. I saw pictures and it looks so beautiful. What about you?
Oh, that's brave. For me, one day I want to open my own English learning center where students can learn while having fun, just like this podcast.
Wow, I can already imagine that. Ellie's fun English world? That sounds like a dream that could totally come true.
Thank you. Dreams give us something to look forward to. Even small dreams matter. Everyone listening, your dreams are special no matter how big or small they are.
Exactly. And don't forget, dreams can change over time. That's okay too. When I was younger, I wanted to be a football player. Haha, can you believe that, Ellie?
I can totally see you running around shouting, "Goal!" But yeah, our dreams evolve as we grow. What matters is that we keep dreaming and planning our future with hope.
You said it perfectly. Okay, let's teach a few more useful phrases. If you want to sound polite and natural when talking about your future plans, you can say things like, I'm thinking about, or I might. For example, I'm thinking about learning photography, or I might move to another city next year.
Yes, those phrases sound softer and more natural, and they're perfect if you're not 100% sure yet. For example, I'm thinking about changing my job, or I might start a YouTube channel soon. Haha, maybe you will, Mike.
Haha, maybe. You never know. I'm thinking about calling it Mike's Coffee Talk. We'll drink coffee and talk about life. Haha.
I would totally watch that. All right, here's another one. If you're talking about a long-term plan, you can say, in the future, I want to. For example, in the future, I want to learn another language, or in the future, I want to build a happy family.
Beautiful examples, Ellie. I love that. When we talk about our dreams, we're also training our minds to believe in them. That's why it's great practice for both English and life.
Exactly. Talking about dreams helps you express hope, purpose, and confidence, and that's what makes conversations more meaningful. So everyone, here's a little task for you. After listening to this episode, write down 3 sentences about your dreams and future plans using the phrases we taught today.
Great idea. Let's give them a few examples. Example 1, I've always dreamed of becoming a travel blogger. Example 2, I'm planning to move to another country next year. Example 3, one day I want to help people learn new skills.
Perfect. And remember, when you practice speaking, smile and enjoy it. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak with confidence and passion, because dreams start with words.
That's such a nice line, Ellie. Dreams start with words. I love it. And speaking of that, let's ask each other one fun question before we wrap up. If you could achieve one dream right now, instantly, what would it be?
Ooh, tough one. I'd say to travel to Italy and eat pasta every day. What about you?
Haha, that sounds delicious. For me, it would be to own that beach cafe I talked about earlier and invite you for free coffee every morning.
Aw, that's so sweet. Okay, everyone, we hope today's episode inspired you to dream big and talk about your goals in English. Keep practicing, keep believing, and remember, the best way to make your dreams come true is to take small steps every day. And thank you, everyone, for listening to English Talk Time. Don't forget to follow and share this episode with your friends who are learning English too. Yeah, and tell us in the comments, what's your dream? We'd love to read your answers. Until next time, keep smiling, keep dreaming, and keep talking in English.
Bye, everyone. Take care and see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye. See you next time.